Yeah, I'm sorry, 23, 25 is in my previous recording, so I'm taking off 23, 25, and 27. Okay, so this and this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's get going. So 4.1.1, that's the first question. Explain what happens when a system of two linear equations is inconsistent. So system of linear equation, that's the linear two equations when they have two variables at the same time, where there is x and y, and to be able to solve it, we have to have two equations. Okay, so system of equations can be inconsistent and consistent. What is the difference between them? The difference is, when a system is inconsistent, when it doesn't have solution. Okay, that means there is no pair of answers that will satisfy to both equations. Okay, so what happens when a system of two linear equations is inconsistent? What effect does it have obtaining the solution? What would you graph in such a graph of such system will look like? All right, so the answer is going to be, I need to find is inconsistent. There is no solution. Okay, this means there is no point xy that satisfies both equations, this one. Okay. Next is going to be the 4.1.5. Okay, here it is, question number 2, 4.1.5, which is second question. Let's see what we have here. Determine whether the ordered pair 7 and 3 and 2 is solution for the following. So how we gonna do it? Very easy. Let me take a picture of it and we can work out. So practically, so we solve this one, scratching, oops. Now doing 4.1.5. Let me write down what we have here. So three x minus 9 equal y minus 4. 5x minus 2y equal 12. So we need to identify if pair of numbers 7 over 3 and 2 is a solution. So this means my 7 over 3 is x, my 2 is a y. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to plug x as a 7 over 3, y as a 2. I'm going to start with the second one because I think it's less operation. If it's equal, then I will move to next one, second one. Okay, 5 times x is 7 over 3 minus 2 times y is 2 equal 12. Let's see, 5 times 7 over 3 minus 4 equal 12. Well, I do not think it's gonna be satisfying answer because we are getting here 35. 35 is not divisible by 3. Hold on. I have fraction anyway. Yeah, sorry, I'm right. It's not a solution because I tell you why. Here I have 12. Here 35 by 3, I'm not getting whole number, so I will end up with fraction. So, but on the right side, it's whole number, so it's not going to satisfy. So we are done this one. Is not a solution to the system because it's not solution to the second equation. Well, it's not a solution to the second one. Okay. Because I started doing second. So next we are going to do 4.8. This is 4.7. 4.7 in the other recording. So let me do 4.8, this one. So what do we have? System of equation solving by graphing. All right, let me take a picture of it. And we can graph. So practically what we are going to do, we are going to graph, it's a separate graphs. Okay? So the first one is very easy, negative x plus y is equal 1. I can draw this graph by intercept, meaning when x is equal 0, y is equal 1, right? 0, comma 1, because you plug this is 0, okay, and you will have y is equal 1. And when y is equal 0, you get negative x is equal 1, which means x is equal negative 1. So both sides multiply by negative 1, and x equal negative 1. So your x is negative 1, y is 0. Okay? Let's build first graph, 0, 1, and negative 1 is 0. Zero, 1, and forgot. 0, 1, negative 1, 0. Okay. So 0, 1. Negative 1, 0. Wait, hold on, no. 0, 1. Oh, it keep jumping and I can't. 1 second. Let me cancel it and start over. Okay. So point is going to be 0, 1, which is going to be here, positive 1. This one, and then negative 1 and 0. No. No. It's jumping up and down. It's not going. I'm going to try one more time. So first I will go to, let me see. I'm going to take 0, 1. Okay, let me go from negative 1, 0 and 1, 0. There we go. This is the first graph. Save. Now second one is x plus 4y equal 24. Let me, x plus 4y equal 24. So when x is equal 0, 4y is equal 24 and y is equal 6, right? So it's going to be 0 and then 6. First writing down x and then y. And when y is equal 0, we get x is equal 24, which is going to be 24, comma, 0. Okay, let me take pictures. Okay, for the points. So, we have 0 and 6. This one and the other one, 24. Go figure. Yeah, there is no 24. So I'm going to go different way then. So I'm going to do as a slope and intercept, which means I don't have 24 on the graph. We are going to go by slope and intercept, which means I have to find y, because and represent as a mx plus b, right? 4y is equal negative x plus 24, and dividing by 4, I will have y is equal negative 1 over 4x and plus 6. Negative 1 over 4x and plus 6. So let's graph this way. And it's absolutely not a big deal if we did other way to build the first graph. It absolutely doesn't matter. So we are starting with 6. Okay, negative 1 over 4. I'm going down by 1 and then coming by 4. Yeah, that's it. Saving. Okay, excellent. Now it's gonna ask solution. For solution, what we're gonna do? Solution of two equations, this common point here where they cross each other, which is gonna be x is 4, y is 5. 4 and 5. So let's write down. We are putting curly braces. Where are our curly braces? Actually, parentheses, it's good enough. So it was 4 let me see, 4 and 5, yes. No, let me check one more time. X is 4, the other one is 5. Well, I am curious. I want to see the answer. Let me see what is there. It's my MATLAB allow you 3 attempts, and then it will give you answer. I want to see what they give. So what's the problem here? Oh, I put point instead of comma. Okay, at least you know. But this is okay. Okay, I put point. Okay. All right. At least you know what's the answer, right? Okay. This is 418. Okay, third one, moving to 4111. 9 you can find in previous recording, so 4111. Let me see what we have to do here. Okay. Where from is this? Never liked Microsoft. See, it's now dictating me. Okay. So y is equal negative x plus 3, and second one, x plus y is equal negative 5 over 2. Okay, this is not difficult. First one, it will be easy. So we have here what? If I build based on slope and intercept, so slope here is going to be 1 over 1, negative 1 over 1, right? I can take it either negative 1 over 1 or 1 over negative 1. And the second one, I have to put in the form of y is equal mx plus b. So y will be equal negative x minus 5 over 2. Okay, and the first one is y is equal negative 1 over 1x plus 3. Because if there is nothing in there in front of x, that means it's negative 1 because you have negative x. All right. Now let's build the graph and solve by graphing. So negative 5 over 2, that's going to be 2.5, right? And it's our intercept on y. 2.5, and then minus 1, and then positive 1. That's how I'm going to. That's the first one. Now, second one, I have intercept is 3, positive 3. And then again negative minus 1, and then positive 1. One time you messed up, you can't fix it anymore. And they are not crossing each other. I don't like it. Let me check. They are going parallel. It's too early have it parallel. We have to solve a couple of problems before it gives the case of parallel. Let's check it. So negative x plus 3 and y is equal negative x minus 5 over 2. Well, okay. We just then do it. Everything is correct here as far as I'm concerned. So graph, I'm building the graph y is equal negative x plus 3. So I'm starting with 3. And then negative x meaning negative 1 over 1. So I'm going negative 1 and then positive 1. There we go. Okay, it looks like I have it incorrect. Let me rewrite again the picture. I have the picture of it. Hold on, let me y is equal negative x plus 3, and x plus y is equal negative 5 over 2. Okay, negative x plus 3 and y is equal negative x minus 5 over 2. I don't see how it's wrong. Let me build it again. I'm going to clear completely everything and build again. First one, I'm doing negative x plus 3. So I'm starting with 3. So negative x meaning the slope is negative 1. So negative 1 over 1, I'm going down negative 1 and then positive 1. Negative 1, positive 1, okay. And the second one is negative x minus 5 over 2, meaning 2.5. So negative 2.5, and then minus 1, going down, and then positive 1. Well, I don't see any other answer. I'm going to check it. Trying again. I want to see what they give us. Do you see any difference here? This is my answer. I have 0 3 point and 3 0 here. Let me see. 0 3 and 3 0. Okay. Second one, I have negative 2 point and negative 2. No, it has shifted. There is no, it's negative 2, negative 2, so their answer is incorrect. Mine is correct. We have, 2.5. Okay, I see. No, mine is wrong. I had 2.5 and mine is slided down, this one, see? Slide it down to negative 3. Okay, at least you know. Negative 2.5. All right, we are good. Okay, and at this point there is no solution because they are parallel, they don't cross each other. Next one. Which one we did? This one was 11. Next one we are doing 29. Okay. What do we have to do? Find solution. Okay, we can do that. Let me take a picture. Okay, find solution by the addition. Okay, method of addition. All right, let me explain real quick. Method of addition. There are two methods, method of addition and method of elimination. No, three methods. The third one is graphing. So graphing, method of elimination, and method of addition. So method of addition, how does it work? If I have, let's say, x plus y is equal 5, and then x minus y is equal 10, for example. So method of addition, we are adding both equations. Where you add y and negative y is canceling, and we are having 2x is equal 10, and x is equal 5, right? Okay, once you have x is equal 5, then you can plug this x either this one or this one, and to get y, which is going to be, let's say, first one, 5 plus y is equal 0. And I mean, I'm solving inside in my mind that it's 0, but here I need to solve it. 5 and y is equal 5 minus 5, and it's 0. Okay, this is method of addition. Now, what if you have x minus y is equal 5, and then x plus 2y equal 5? So to bring to the same level, actually it's the same negative, let me put minus 2y, make it more interesting. In this case, I have to have one is positive, one is negative, and I have to have same value so I can cancel it, same absolute value. So I have here negative 2y, here I have negative y. I need to multiply by the first one. This y I need to multiply by negative 2. Because if I multiply by negative 2, this piece, I will get positive 2y. And with negative 2y, I can cancel. Okay, let's do it. The purpose is to make negative y as a positive 2y, but this negative 2 I have to distribute by every single term. And it will be negative 2x plus 2y equal 10, and then x minus 2y equal 5. Okay, once we add, there we go, we cancel. And we get negative 2x plus x is going to be negative x is equal 15, 10 plus 5. And from here, x is equal negative 15. Okay, and then you take this x, plug either here or here, and find y from there. So let me solve here, see what we have. I'm going to write down 1.3x plus 1.2y is equal 2.8, and then 0.3x plus 0.2y equals 0.8. Look what is interesting. First of all coefficients are decimal notation, but because all of them are decimal, therefore every single one I'm going to multiply by 10, meaning instead of 1 I will get, let me see, 13. Instead of 1.2 I will get 12y. Instead of 2.8 I would get 28. Here is 3x plus 2y equal 8. Okay? So I multiplied by 10, meaning multiplying by 10 meaning take the decimal and move by one position to the right. If multiply by 100, you then take the point and move to the right by 2 positions. Okay, let's see. I have 13x, 3x. Ooh, 13 number. It's not talking to, it's a prime number. So 12 and 2. Okay, I can multiply this by 6 and I will get 12y. But since both of them are positive, I'm multiplying by negative. So instead of 2y, we can get, instead of the positive 12y, we can get negative 12y. So let me distribute this one by this, and by 8. So what do we have? 13x plus 12y is equal 28. And then 3x, I'm sorry, I need to multiply. Negative 18x minus 12y, and it's equal negative 48. All right, let's add it. This and this are gone. 13x minus 18 is going to be negative 5x. Here we get negative 48 plus 28. It's going to be negative 20, and x is equal 4, right? Okay, I want to plug this 4. I want to plug right here. I think it's easier. Okay, let's do it. 3 times my x is 4 plus 2y equal 8. 2y is equal 8 minus 12, because this is 12, 3 times 4. And 2y is equal negative 4, y is equal negative 2. So my answer is 4 comma negative 2. Let's go. So parentheses, four comma negative 2 okay, very good. So that was 29, and now I will solve 39 and 49, and that's it. Here is 39. Okay. If possible, solve a system of equation. Use any method. If there is any unique solution, state the reason. Okay. Let's see what we have. So we have 6x minus 8y is equal 8, and 2x plus 16y is equal negative 16. All right. So which method we are going to use? Addition. So let me double check my writing. Negative 12 x That's why I wasn't getting the right answer. Okay, so multiplying just by 2. At the 2 times 6x, it's going to be 12x. 2 times negative 8y, it's going to be negative 16y. 2 times 8 is 16. Negative 12x plus 16y equal negative 16. This is gone, this is gone, this is gone. We are getting 0 equals 0. When you are getting 0 equals 0, 5 is equal 4, 3 is equal 3, then that means we have infinite number of solution. And there we go. There is infinite number of solution. All right? And the last one we are doing, that's a 39 and 49. It's going to be this one. Okay. If possible, solve the system of equation. Any method. Okay. Let me write down. We have 3 minus 5x plus 1 equal y plus 4, and 4x plus y plus 4 equal 2 minus x. Okay, let me solve. So first I need to open parentheses. So it's going to be 3 minus 5x minus 1 is equal y plus 4. 4x, and let me move this negative x here. It's going to be plus x plus y is equal to minus 4. Okay, next, negative 5x minus y equal 4. I'm moving this 3 and negative 1 here. Minus 3 plus 1, and 4x plus y equal, no, 5x, I'm sorry, 4x and x, it's going to be 5x. 5x plus y equal 2 minus 4 is negative 2. Well, let's take care of this one also. 4 minus 3 is 1, positive 2, right? So what is happening here? Look, negative 5x minus y, negative 5x minus y equal 2. If I multiply by negative 1 each term, I'm getting positive 5x plus y equal negative 2, which I am getting identical. See here? Which means it's going to be infinite amount of solution. There we go. Okay.